Agent Barton, Agent Romanoff. This is Agent Maria Hill from S.H.I.E.L.D. We have an important mission for you. We need you to find a man named Tentacle Beard. Currently we don't know his location, so we need you to contact an informant. He'll be at the downtown gala tonight. Find Tentacle Beard. Whatever it takes.
Hey, I heard you might know something about Tentacle Beard.
I may know something about it. Excuse me while I eat this.
Hey, that pizza cost $70.
Put it on my bill. But trust me, Tentacle Beard isn't the kind of guy you want to mess with. But if you really want to know about Tentacle Beard Face, whatever his name is, it'll cost you
How much?
$100. Well, you heard the guy. Those pizzas ain't cheap.
Don't miss.
Don't worry, I won't.
I've been hit with delicious goodness. We need backup here. Who are you?
Bond. James Bond.
And I'm Booster Gold, the greatest hero you've never heard of. That doesn't sound very impressive, sir.
Shut up, Skeets.
And I'm here too. Who are you? I'm actually nobody cares. And I'm a random guy with a beard.
It looks like we've come to a fork in the road.
I haven't washed my armpits in years. Here, have a little whiff. That's disgusting. It hurts my nose. What are you talking about? You don't have a nose. Ugh.
Is there something growing in your armpits?
Yup. I named him George. Everybody calm down. Let's just take a moment and acknowledge the elephant in the room. Acknowledged. Okay, now you can keep fighting.
Oh man, this is the best pie I ever had.
To the garage. Ooh, fancy. Dibs on this one. Hey, dibs. Dibs! Dibs, I said, dibs! Hey guys! Ah! There's a slime on the windshield!
There's a train coming!
Then find the accelerator and don't take your foot off it. What is wrong with you? You could have just driven around the back of the train. You crazy maniac! Ooh, hey. There's a burger and fries under the seat. That was delicious. Ah, they escaped. Don't worry. I shot him with a tracking device. They'll never find it. Do you hear a beeping noise?
It's probably just the wind.
Does the wind beep? Alright, all we have to do is go back to the Avengers Tower and we can track it from there. No, actually I used a tracker from www.wetrack.com. So we'll have to go to WeTrack headquarters. Maybe we should call them. Hello, we are currently on summer vacation.
What? It's the middle of winter.
Please call us back next winter. I guess we'll have to get in the hard way then. Alright, we're 15 minutes out. Check your gear, check your chute. We only got one shot at this. Babe, you guys like tamales? We should go get some after this mission. I mean, provided you guys don't go crazy or anything. I mean, it's not like that would ever happen.
Our business is doing extremely well. Profit is going sky high. It's doing so well that we get to take a summer vacation until next spring. That doesn't even make any sense, but it's awesome.
Since our business is doing so well, I guess that must mean that lots of people are tracking other people? That's kind of disturbing. We might be supporting, criminals and gangs and evil people and stuff.
Probably, but who cares?
I guess the people who are being tracked would care. But we don't. I love money much more than I love people. Even my family.
Hey, me too!
Me three.
Hey, we're all like best friends. But it's shallow and insincere. And we would stab each other in the back for money. I love money so much. Money's awesome. That was one weird-looking bird. I'm looking for the bathroom. Down the hall and to the left. Thanks. Ugh! Hey, I know you. What are you doing here? I work here now. Huh. Could you show me the security room? Sure. Thanks. Who was that?
It's just Dave coming back from his break.
Slackers. Sleeping on the job. Huh. Huh. They were watching Pumpkin Studios Lego on YouTube. They've got good taste.
Security systems deactivated.
We are go. Hey, you hear something in the air vents? It's probably just rats. Man, those are some big rats. Hand me the rat poison. We'll spray it into the air vents. That sounds like a genius plan. I love it. What? You're not a rat? Rat-a-tat-tat. We've got the location. Let's get out of here. Okay, so what's the plan to get out of here? We're gonna take the elevator. Oh, that's not what I was expecting, but okay. So, where are you guys from? Your imagination. Oh, cool, cool, cool. You guys like tamales? I love tamales, but actually, I prefer pizza. Well, watch the wings, but oh, ow! Oh man, I'm so sorry. No, that's okay. I just got a concussion, but you know, I'll be fine. What? I'm delivering pizzas. Is that a bear? The guy dressed up as a clock was weird enough. Hey! Not just any bear, boy. The bipolar bear from Boston. You hear me? Nice talking to ya. The time has come for me to go. Ciao. You know, it seems a little tight. Maybe you should just wait for the next elevator. Oh! My rib! Oh, my rib. Oh. Wait, so what floor are we on? The 89th floor. Oh. This is gonna take a while.
2,000 years later.
Camel.
Oh, finally, some fresh air.
I did it! I made another cameo. Gotta add this one to my list at home.
What's his problem?
Please, dirtbags. Uh-oh.
We got a tail, or several tail.
Don't worry, there's someone coming to pick us up.
Okay, where's the location?
It's on a ship, 20 miles out.
Alright, let's head out. Seriously? We don't even get a break? I don't get paid enough for this. Actually, I don't even work for S.H.I.E.L.D. I don't get paid at all. There she is. Man, that's a big ship. This is a serious operation. Are you ready?
I was born ready.
I don't get it.
Here's some coffee for you guys.
Oh, thanks.
Careful, it's got some extra kick to it.
Who are you?
It's me, Agent Romanoff.
Oh, thank goodness. You won't believe what they did to me. I can't see. They bored my eyes out. I can see!
We better warn the boss.
Hey! They're escaping! What happened to all the people that were on the boat? They escaped in a lifeboat.
Row, row your boat gently down the stream. Merrily, merrily, merrily. Life is but a dream.
They're singing. It's terrible.
Hi, boss. I got some bad news. So, the bird escaped, and also, we accidentally blew up the ship.
Could you come pick us up now? Should we notify Tentacle Beard?
No. Tentacle Beard doesn't need to know about this. We'll take care of it.
Hello? Hello?
Must have lost the signal.
All right, Bird. We saved your feathers. Now tell us what you know.
Okay. I don't know where Tentacle Beard is, but I know how you can find him.
Life is but a dream. Look! A ship! We're saved!
Ahoy there, matey! Wait, what? I said ahoy there, matey. I mean, who are you? We be the good pirates. Good pirates? I don't think there's such a thing as good pirates. Well, me boy, you learn something new every day.
You're spitting on my face.
Captain, they've got a bounty on their heads.
Well, it's a pleasure to have you aboard. Ah, great. Let's take 'em in.